Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
He got cooked.
Adrian, you didn't go down like that, huh?
He got cooked.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
A bag of weed, oh, everything is better with a bag of weed. It's the only help that you'll ever need, because everything is better with a bag of weed.
Disclaimer. Before we get started, remember that Forex is a very risky business. Risk what you're able to afford.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Bruh.
Be aware of scammers online. Do not pay anyone to trade for you. Do not buy signals online. And there's no such things as a perfect trader. Manage your emotions and conquer the trading world. Put in the work and enjoy your profit. In this video, I will show you how I was able to get to this point. I will show you the technical analysis and the charts and the secret strategies that I used.
In the meantime, what do you say we get down to business?
So, welcome. And this is going to be analysis of how I saw red. And as you can see on the chart, I am trying to mark the area of interest. I normally do start by marking my take profit, and I had my take profit just above. As you can see that movement downwards, that is why I had my profit. That is initially where I wanted to take my profits, okay? And as you can see, price didn't get to that area that I intended it to get to. Well, it's kind of, I mean, no biggie, but I was disappointed because you can see I was still up on profit. As you can see, excuse me, the trade went up well. My analysis went, you can see this was a breaker that I thought was going to pan out, but as you can see, price got to this area and that was it. Well, I thought it was going to push above because it broke above that high, but instead that is not what happened. And when I was analyzing my chart, I was sure it was going to get there because you can see there's liquidity. The area that I've marked was my very important area, and I honestly thought that price was going to get there. Like, with my analysis, I thought that it was spot on, that they were going to respect the area, but instead that is not what happened, because normally gold is very volatile. As you can see, I'm not angry because I do know, well, it doesn't matter right about now because the area that I intended it to get did not get. You can see I'm marking the lower lows and to the left and the right, and they were also there. It's not that I forced anything, they were there and I checked that, and the area that I'm marking is what I thought would be the breaker. But I wish I would have taken my profit right there and left it, but instead that is not what I did. I got greedy and I looked for the upper side. So when a trade does not pan exactly as you want it to, I normally wonder what went wrong. And as you can see here, I'm trying to decide what happened wrong because I cannot see anything that I did wrong when I was taking the trade. But immediately when I lost money, as you can see, my take profit is always just below. My stop loss is always just below or above my lower lows. And as I told you, that is where price normally has its target, because it knows very well that is where people will be going. There are orders just below that area, and that is where price is going to go, just for purposes of taking out orders just below this area. The big banks, they knew exactly that people are going to be taking this as a high, and they knew the target was going to be the area that I put target. But what price did is it rejected that area. When that rejection happened, it knew immediately. You can see price made very rapid movements when that happened. That was because price was going to hunt for stop loss. So, and that is how I was stopped. It's not something I was proud of. I lost a lot of money, and the thing is, in this game, it's about learning, losing. It's a game, and make sure that your emotions are well intact so that you will not suffer majorly for very simple things. The thing is, the money is there, so don't lose your mind. This is a game of mind and charts, and how well have you been able to manage your mind? Are you strong enough to be able to trade and lose and trade some more? Well, so I did have a bit bad day, and because that is a lot of money, that is like 1,000 pips. You do know that gold is very volatile, and that was a sinking hole for me. And I tried checking for other areas. I did not revenge trade, by the way. I did not do that, but I checked to see whether I was gonna get some other areas to trade, but no, that was not the case. I just took that day off and I went to analyzing my work, and I tried to avoid trading gold so much because of the consequences that they come with it. But other than that, I am good. And this is to motivate you. This is not to discourage you. This is to motivate you.